Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best bass headphones that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Infinity. Let's begin with our top product. Infinity Glide 510 by Harman Wireless on-ear headphone is one of the best bass headphones that comes from JBL. It has an entire plastic finish body, so it comes under your budget. In terms of comfort, its over-ear design is ideal for long-term usage. It has room for air circulation, which provides a better audio experience. However, it doesn't block out more noise when the noise cancellation is active. The battery life is really great. You will get up to 72 hours of playing time. We suggest this headphone for those who don't want to charge the headphone frequently. With the long battery life, you should never be stressed about it, just enjoy the audio. The outdoor call quality is amazing, there is no muffled sound. The other person on the call could hear the voice clearly and properly. As the bass is improved, it delivers better sounds. Even when watching Netflix, YouTube, or other online streaming videos, the lip sync is not a problem. But the delay is too much when it comes to gaming, so it creates a setback. One thing you must know about this Infinity Glide 510 headphone is that it supports Bluetooth connection. It doesn't have a connectivity option like AUX or wired cable. When we talk about the sound quality, the Infinity JBL Glide 510 Bluetooth headphones have a 36mm driver and a dual enhancement mode. It means you can hear the music in both normal mode and bass mode. Just pressing the volume down and up, you can change it to normal mode.
32 ohms.
This could be the best choice for bass lovers.
The delivery
A genre
box
like rap,
contains
EDM, hip-hop will be very interesting as its bass will be boosted and improved.
USB and
The
one
good
charging
bass audio
cable.
quality, comfortable usage, long battery life,
Product
and
comes with
budget-friendliness
standard
all
brand
make this
warranty.
Infinity Glide
For
510
further
headphone
information,
the best
visit
one.
the
Keep in
product.
mind, you have to use it carefully. If you are a rough user, then it is not for you. At number 4. Audio-Technica. Audio-Technica is one of the most respected companies in the world, and one of its most popular products is the ADHM50X headphones. This headset went viral many years ago and, like all great headphones with a 3.5mm connector, is still strong. When it comes to design and build, Audio-Technica nails this headphone. It is stylish enough to stand alone but not luxurious enough to attract unnecessary attention. It is made from a combo of plastic, metal, and protein leather. The padding material on the headband is soft and evenly padded. Adjusting the position of the pillow from time to time works well to prolong its use. It comes with a 90-degree rotatable ear cup so that you can flatten your neck when not in use, and you can adjust it slightly to get a comfortable fit. This Audio-Technica ADHM50X comes with a removable cable that you can remove when it is not in use. You will also get short and long cables so that you can use them both indoors and outdoors. The box has 3 cables, one for portable use and the other for both coil and straight long cables at home. When we talk about comfort, this headphone is acceptably comfy. It can give a decent balance between the head and the ear pad clamp. The vivid and lively sound delivers music with heaps of energy. The energy in the upper mids and the slightly sculpted bass response are the most discussed areas of sound. This is definitely a signature for listening to critical or jazz, classical, sound music. This makes the voice in pop music sounds a touch grain, soft and artificial compared to warmer headphones. We suggest this Audio-Technica ADHM50X headphone for those who are looking for the best bass wired headphone in India. At number 3. Skullcandy. The wireless Skullcandy Crusher is the ultimate definition of the oddball in the world of the best bass headphones. If you are looking for a budget-friendly wireless Skullcandy that offers ultra-deep audio, punchy bass, we are happy to break the division by saying that you cannot go wrong with a wireless Skullcandy Crusher. Most experts preach that it is best to choose a pair of headphones that show a V-shaped sound profile. It is not in the Crusher because it has a U-shaped profile that is slightly curved. It basically emphasizes low bass frequencies. This also indicates that the clarity of the high and mid-range frequencies may be questionable, which may go unnoticed by some. Simply put, if you only care about the low-end powerful best bass headphones, you will love this bass headphone. The control scheme is as simple as possible with the microphone, soundtrack, and side control buttons. The combination of premium acoustics and stereo hop bass takes your media to a completely different level. Its stereo haptic bass transmits powerful bass so that you can feel the music independently for each ear. This super bass headphone comes with an adjustable sensory bass feature that allows you to turn down the bass. It gives a pleasing result to the ears when it comes to genres like hip-hop, rock, and jazz. One of the most vital and best selling points of the wireless Skull Candy Crusher bass headphone is its exceptional battery life is up to 40 hours. You can listen to the best music continuously for about a day and a half before charging these headphones. When we talk about charging, thanks to the Crusher's quick charging feature, you can get up to 3 hours of listening time in just 10 minutes of charging. Its dual, custom-tuned audio drivers and noise-isolating memory foam earpads refine your overall listening experience. At number 2. Boat. Boat Rockers surprised Indian customers by introducing 550 headphones in the budget price range. The Boat is an Indian-based electronics brand that produces earphones, headphone stereos, premium rugged cables, and travel chargers. Although it comes with a low price, it isn't low on features. When we are testing, we have found that this Boat Rockers 550 is the most demanded headphone on the market. In terms of design, this bass headphone is overhead and comes with a cushion in the headrest as well as the earpieces. Its cushions are very soft and provide a premium feel. You can find the Boat logo on both sides of the earpiece. The volume rockers, 3.5mm jack, LED light indicator, power buttons, microphone are all located on the lower side of the right earpiece. In addition, the length of the headphone is adjustable. Boat Rockers have built-in Siri and Google Assistant. By using the volume rocker, you can control the headphone volume, and you can also change songs when paired in Bluetooth. The power button lets you turn on and off the Bluetooth of Boat 550. You can receive and deny calls through the power button. Boat Rockers can also be used to turn on voice assistants by pressing for a few seconds. It is also compatible while playing games like PUBG. We suggest you use the AUX mode while playing games. The calling volume is decent, and the sound is clear in both wired and wireless modes. Boat Rockers supports two types of connections that are wired and wireless. You can listen to music by plugging in the AUX cable even if your battery drains out. With the 500 mAh battery capacity, it gives 20 hours of playback time. This high-bass Bluetooth headphone comes with a most recent version of Bluetooth 5.0, which delivers seamless performance. When compared to the wired mode, the sound quality is better in the wireless mode. It is very easy to pair and automatically connects instantly with the last paired device. We recommend this Boat Rockers 550 headphone for those who are searching for the best bass headphone in India under 2000. At number 1. Boat. Are you searching for the best wireless headphones with deep bass? If yes, this Boat Rockers 450 wireless Bluetooth on-ear headphones is the right choice for you. The Boat is known for its best music gadgets, and it is another product from the Boat brand. The Boat Rockers 450 headphone is a lightweight but robust ergonomically designed bass headphone. It is built as an on-ear headphone which offers a better user experience with comfortable padded ear cushions and a sleek design. The body is made of a premium matte finish. The headband and ear cups are both adaptable so that they can fit any size head and ear. There are integrated controls in the ear cups to make your life easier. You can control your music, change the sound, or activate the voice assistant in minutes. The Boat Rockers 450 headphone is attached with Bluetooth version 4.2 so that you can connect it not only via one mode but also two. Enjoy the music by connecting through Bluetooth and AUX cable. Not only this, with the help of a built-in mic, you can easily connect with your loved ones. It comes with a 300 mAh large battery which is capable of providing up to 8 hours of seamless music. Boat excels at delivering top sound quality and bass on every headphone. The Boat Rockers 450 headset is driven by 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver high-speed HD audio throughout the day. Immerse your senses now with its high-definition deep audio. This 40mm dynamic drivers provide the deep bass one has to search for. If your preference is to buy the best bass headphones under 1500 Rs, the Boat Rockers 450 wireless headset is the answer. Other than that, you will always appreciate the clear audio quality you get in music and calls. This powerful bass earphones support voice assistants such as Google and Siri available in one touch. Hands-free calls are made easier with the built-in mic overall. Comfort plus sound quality steals many hearts. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.